This is the coolest hat in the world. This is actually a light. So let me just click this on so I can show you what it looks like. It might get a little bright in the camera. Woo, hey? Okay, so this thing is so awesome when you're outside. So it's like a wool beanie, so you can wear this thing outside. It is awesome. Like out here right now, I'm wearing one on my head right now, and you can see I'm doing some grilling outside, and it's dark out, and you can see if you had all the food on the grill, you could see all that. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing around so you can see what this thing looks like on my head. That's off. Here we go. That's full. Okay, full light. Down a little lower. Down a little lower still. So you got these three different levels of the light. Okay, now if you work outside at all, for example, for me, I'm a maple syrup maker, so I'm going to use this light all the time when I'm trying to finish making my maple syrup, because I have a habit of working on things until it's late into the evening, it's dusk, maybe it gets dark, so you're finishing this. So this is the perfect time to use my fancy lighted hat to check on the volume in my pan, make sure we're not burning down to the bottom. So I just love this little hat with the lights, and it's got three different levels, and then off, and then here's your super bright. You know, throws just enough light that you can use it for a lot of things. This LED lasts for, gosh, got to be about 30 different uses, maybe 40 different uses. So probably 2 hours of runtime, depending on which level you put it on. Love this little hat. This thing, I would give it 6 stars out of 5 if I could. It is that good. If you work on a car, if you're out in the garage, if you take your dog for a walk in the evening, you can flick this light on, and it's just this little tiny button here at the top. You can turn it on, turn it off. You can see it's got all these simple lights, and it's a really nice, comfortable hat. This is what it's like with the light on with your hat. This is what it's like walking around outside in the dark in winter here in Wisconsin. This is what it's like once you click on your hat. See all this ice we're walking on? You would never see any of this ice, all the slippery stuff in your path. See that? That's why I love this hat. This tiny light is so small, so it easily pops in and out of the hat, and you can charge it up. You can see the little port there, and then you just insert it right back in. I'm recharging the battery in the little light with a mini USB-C cord. Just connect it to your laptop or some other charging device, and you can see it's charging up right now. Pretty simple stuff. I mean, if you are into camping, if you are into hunting, if you do anything where you're outside in twilight and then it becomes dark out and temperatures are maybe in the under 50 degrees, you want to wear this hat. It is awesome. What's nice about it too is that your hands are free, so I mean you can use both your hands. All you got to do is click the light on your hat, and you know, you can put away the grill cover and take care of business. For working on your car in the evening, if you're in the garage when it's cooler, especially in the fall or winter. For delivery drivers, think about this. If you're a delivery driver and you got to make a delivery and you're walking up to the house, you need a signature, or you're doing some credit card payments. If you're a DoorDash guy doing food deliveries, pizza guy, this hat is awesome because you can flick on the light, read somebody's credit card info, type it into your phone or whatever you need to do to make a purchase. Bam, you got it. These hats are awesome. I give these hats a 5-star rating. Thanks for watching.